To fix the WhatsApp verification code not received issue, start by ensuring your phone has a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can prevent you from receiving the verification code. Check your phone's signal strength and try moving to an area with better coverage if necessary. Next, verify that the phone number you are trying to register is correct. Double-check that the number is entered correctly, including the country code. Make sure the phone number is active and able to receive SMS messages. If you have already requested the verification code and it has not arrived, wait for a few minutes before requesting a new code. WhatsApp may have experienced a delay in sending the code. If the issue persists, try requesting the code via a phone call instead of SMS. This option is available in the WhatsApp registration process. Check if your phone's SMS inbox is not full, as a full inbox can prevent new messages from being received. Delete any unnecessary messages to free up space. Also, ensure that your phone's SMS settings are configured correctly, and that WhatsApp is allowed to send you messages. If none of the above steps work, try restarting your phone and then attempt to register for WhatsApp again. This can sometimes resolve issues with receiving the verification code. Additionally, check with your phone service provider to see if there are any issues with their SMS services that may be preventing you from receiving the code. Finally, if all else fails, consider contacting WhatsApp support for further assistance. They can help troubleshoot the issue and provide additional guidance on how to resolve the problem. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the WhatsApp verification code not received issue and successfully register for the service.